Hey guys, it's me Vika Channel, and today we'll show the DVD menu Thomas and Friends, Engines and Escapades. They're only available season 11 DVD. If you like Thomas and Friends, please subscribe for my channel. Right. Here we go. This is the same opening, just like the previous DVD, Thomas Trusty Friends.
It's Thomas.
And here we are, Engines and Escapades DVD menu. Here's a DVD menu about Engines and Escapades Season 11 DVD. So we have play to watch all the episodes from Engines and Escapades. Select an episode. And the episodes are Duncan Does It All, Hanno in Charge, Cool Truckings, Ding-a-ling, Scallowy Storms Flew, and What's Behind Your Buffers. Back to the main menu. Song, or actually single song, is a Season 11 single song, Narrow Gauge Railway. Narrow Gauge Engines, Season 11 song. I don't press because it should be song Season 11 song, Narrow Gauge Engine song to listen. Let's see some titles instead. We have On and Off. And that's all DVD menu about Thomas Friends, Engines and Escapades. Right. See you again soon. Bye bye everybody, and see you next time. See you later.